In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your AirPods. I recommend just using a basic screen cleanser. Now, this is what I use to clean my phones and as well as my computer, just keypad thing. And I recommend just getting any sort of shirt to actually clean them. I have a nice fabric-y cloth right here. So all I'm going to do to actually clean them is I'm first going to take them out of the actual AirPods case like so, put them off to the side, and I'm just going to spray it one squirt. This is like an alcoholic spray. You can also do this with like hand sanitizer or even toothpaste. I don't recommend that as much, just because this is made to be cleaning it. And you give it a squirt like so, and you want to use your shirt or whatever you have, cloth, to just wipe down the AirPods case. And you want to do the same for the AirPods. As you can see, there's quite a good amount of dirt in there, so I would even use like a Q-tip, just like one of those cotton swabs, just clean out that dirt. I don't have one with me, or even an old toothbrush or a new toothbrush, to just clean out the insides of this, and especially the insides, use a Q-tip to get inside of there. And once you do that, you can do the same on the AirPods, just like simple like this. Just scrub them with your shirt and just give them a nice little scrub, and they'll actually just simply be cleaned and all the dirt will come off. I just cleaned them a little bit before this, but you really need a Q-tip or cotton swab or some sort to actually get the inside, the nitty-gritty of inside of the AirPod case. And as you can see, they're a lot cleaner than they were before. But yeah, I just recommend doing that. Or you can even use a paper towel and some water.